All right, y'all. Send. Ooh. Ooh, boy. But anyway, that's besides the point. Bro. Okay, I'm about to say, yo, I'm selling. My nigga, I'm selling. But anyway, that's besides the point. What is going on with y'all right now? Hopefully everything is going good with y'all. Everything is going good with me. Yes, sir. Right now, I am hyped. Actually, I am feeling great. The sun is rising. The sun is shining. That's why I'm also feeling great. But not only that, I'm ready for new goals, ready for new opportunities. You understand what I'm saying? To come my way. I'm excited and I'm ready for it. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's just pretty much it. That's really why I'm excited, why I'm happy. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, though. Anyway. I don't know why I just did that. Like, what am I doing right now? Put y'all in the freezer. But if y'all didn't know, I'm gonna let y'all know something real fast. If y'all didn't know, so me and my bro, this apartment right here, is me and my bro's apartment right here. Me and my bro, we moved in together June of, I'm finna say last year. We moved in together June of this year. Yeah. Moved in June of this year. Of course, it's a year lease going on, or it was intentionally supposed to be. It was, oh my gosh, this door. It was intentionally supposed to be a 1-year lease going on. But, you know, things happen, stuff happens, opportunity happens, things happen of that nature and stuff like that, like I'm saying. So, yeah, that's just basically what's happening. So, yeah, though, so this was like a cool I don't know why I'm talking about this, but I feel like talking about it. This is like a cool opportunity that I'm glad I'm having, because we're talking about opportunity. I'm glad I even had an opportunity to even have, well, this is not really my own spot, because this is not, I'm not like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is not technically just my apartment. This is my brother's apartment too. So, what's in here? Okay. But yeah, but this is me in his apartment. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah. And I'm just glad that I even had an opportunity to even have an apartment with anybody, to even be able to be in a predicament to move out of my mama's house and to live on my own. But you know what I'm saying? It's like I'm not really living on my own because there's somebody here, but like, y'all kind of get what I'm saying. But yeah, though, I'm just glad I had an opportunity. So, good opportunities, more opportunities to come. Understand what I'm saying? Make sure you're liking, you're subscribe, because it's gonna give me more opportunity. You did what I'm saying? But I don't know what too much of this video, what is with this video. Okay. I got like 5 chins, bro. I got like 5 chins. But anyway, that's besides the point. camera was just doing okay. Let's not start this. Bro, why am I keep doing this? Anyway, I keep putting this thing in my pocket. No one's gonna do this. Y'all, this pen is a little iffy. So I'm working on my editing. So I'm gonna put in some nice edits for y'all. I have my smoke machine to my right. Everything that you see in this video is for entertainment purposes only. We are on YouTube, and not only that, I'm here for you guys' entertainment. I'm here to entertain myself, but entertain y'all. I do not advise y'all to replicate or duplicate what I'm doing, because like I told y'all, I have a smoke machine and these are edits. So even though it's not harmful for me, or it's not harmful to me, doesn't mean it can't be harmful to y'all. I don't want y'all to be out here doing what I'm doing. Like I said, it's for entertainment. So this boo right here though, it's like it's getting close to its demise, as one would say. You know what I'm saying? It's getting hard to pull, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna turn this smoke machine on. Smoke machine go crazy. I don't know. I might move the smoke machine right here because that actually looked pretty cool. So move the smoke machine right here. I think it's gonna look better like that. What y'all think? Y'all think so? Y'all think so? Do you guys think so? Let me know. Because if you think so, then I think so. But if I don't think so, then I'm not gonna know. But y'all catch me on the next video though.